Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to run GPT 5.6 in Cloud Code with your ChatGPT account. Unfortunately, this is just a Mac setup, so if you're on Windows, you'll have to ask Codex or Cloud Code how to use this guide on Windows. So I will share this link with you in the comment section and the description of the video, so you will be able to follow along and use it, or just paste in the link into your ChatGPT and let it fix it for you. So I will show you what you need to do. So if you go to your terminal, then I've set up a couple of commands. We will going to install this proxy. I already installed it on my Mac, so you will see that it will be prompted to, okay, it's already installed. Then we're going to check which version I'm running. As you can see, version 1. Then you will see that I already have everything set up. So all these commands are in the, obviously in the, on the page of Samautomation.work. Then we are going to log in. So this is something I already done, so I'm going to not do that. This little command will show you that it's ready. As you can see, it's authenticated and it's ready. And then I got a little setup I'm going to show you. On one terminal, you will have to I'm going to set up a demo. Okay, so this is a demo environment. So if you can see, I got two terminals open. So on the right terminal, you have to serve the proxy. And currently, you can see there are no sessions. So we are going to start a session. As you can see on the screen, we got GPT Sol 5.6 context window 1 million with high effort on it. Currently we're running in safe mode, so yeah, it's easy to just switch this off, but for now we'll just keep it like this. Permissions, of course, we are going to allow everything and just go for YOLO mode. I prepared a prompt to show you the power of this. So as you can see, we're running GPT Sol 5.6 in safe mode. Let's do something to show you the power of this harness, because there is on the right side you will see that there is a session started with on high effort. The advantage you can take from this using GPT in Cloud Code is that the design is going to be pretty good. Using Sol in Cloud Code is making it a better designer. I'm not sure why, but I already set up a different terminal with just Codex running, and I will pull up that window over here. It's already done and it's running. I gave it the same prompt as I just did in the new Cloud Code setup, and this is what it created. As you can see, this website with method, it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool website. As you can see, colors, everything is okay, buttons are okay, text is okay, everything is working. It's just a one pager, so nothing fancy. Let me pull up the, and it took 6 minutes to build this. So Codex is running. You can see the proxy is doing its thing. I will just leave that out, and it's currently building. So I will just pause the video, so I will be back when it's done. Yeah, it's still building, but just walk through this setup. So what you have to do is open up one terminal and serve the proxy, open up the second terminal and launch the demo directory. Of course, you can just do it in your own directory, but for the sake of the video, I've set up this simple prompt to open it up and open up a demo directory. The important thing you will have to follow up in the guide on the page is that if you are running Cloud Code with a subscription, then follow this guide, because if otherwise it will break your normal Cloud Code session. So I've set up a different Cloud Code on my system to show you this whole setup. So it won't break my normal Cloud Code config. So just verify the root, what the model says about itself, create a separate command Cloud Code. So you can just start with the separate Cloud Code session. Remove the proxy without deleting your normal cloud data. So just, if you want to get rid of it. Common problems. And of course, safe mode to just to be sure if you're running it for the first time. This is something I used to create the setup. I used the z.ai helper. It's a pretty cool how they build it, and so it was an inspiration for this whole guide. Okay, let's see how far it. Oh, nice. Okay, yeah, I forgot to. Okay, it's almost done. So, okay, continue, accept, continue. Okay, port. Yeah, okay, it's not going to work. I assume the Google fonts, but I will be right back when it's done. Yeah, something Cloud Code excels in is the orchestration of subagents. Currently, there's a bug in Codex that if you are using subagent and you started the chat with Sol on Ultra, all the subagents will be using Sol on Ultra, so it will burn through your limits like a maniac. So Cloud is a much better harness for using subagent and doing a lot of stuff with subagents and workflows. I hope the Codex team will update Codex in the near future to facilitate a better use of subagents in Codex CLI. Okay, it took some time, but it's done. So let's see, it was approximately 7 minutes. Funny thing, it started to use the same port as the Codex session, so it did an override of the other page, but I will show you the end result so you can judge for yourself. So using Codex, GPT Sol, and building a website will give you this result, and with the same prompt in Cloud Code, it will give you this result. Taste is a difficult factor, but I like this one much better. This is so awesome, and I think I found a new favorite way how to use GPT Sol with Cloud Code to build new websites. This was just a simple demo, but if you use a different prompt, you will get much better results. If you have any questions, I will share this link in the video description so you can set it up yourself. I'll leave it in the comments how to use GPT 5.6 Sol in Cloud Code.